Hey everyone, I am back again with another video, and this time it's a haul video. And I haven't, well, it's not really a haul video, it's more of an unboxing video and a review. This unboxing is from BeautyMNL. I ordered stuff here because originally I was scrolling through their skin product stuff because I'm really getting into skincare right now. Like, I really wanna be religious with that and all. But that's gonna be another video, skincare. If you're interested with skincare, then watch out for that video. But I ended up buying other things in BeautyMNL. Here, I'm gonna be doing first an unboxing, like we'll open it together, and then I'll be doing a review on the product. So this is what the package looks like. BeautyMNL. It's so cute because it's pink. So here's the receipt. So the products are here. Let's just get right into it. So this is what's inside. It's not a box. It's more of a Ziploc container, which is really nice. It says BeautyMNL, and at the back it says, "Finally, a beauty destination for you." I ordered a total of 6 products. They're basically all from the same brand except for one product. So that's why this video is also a review on that brand. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up. So the first things that I got is the Genie Lip and Cheek Stain Alive. So I got them in 3 shades. And this was the first thing that actually attracted me to this brand, because I was scrolling through BeautyMNL and I saw it was only 80 pesos, and I've really been wanting to try lip stains just because they're so easy to use and it's like there's nothing on your lips. So that's what's good about it. I'm gonna do a review on that later. Another thing I got from Genie is their hair growth booster. So it helps to stop falling hair and blotches on eyebrows and eyelashes, and it promotes healthy hair growth. I saw a lot of good reviews on this. Like, they were all saying it really works. It makes your hair thicker and longer if you use it consistently, like every night. You have to be very religious with this. And this was only, how much was this? I think this was 120 pesos. And it's actually so tiny. I didn't think it'd be this tiny, but yeah, this is the product. I like their packaging and it's so cheap. So yeah, people really say it works, and I can't wait to try that. I hope it works. The last thing I got from that brand, from Genie, is their anti-EYEging. It says EYEging. So this is it. Because I've been really looking for like eye creams or anything that can moisturize my eyes, because that's really what I want to focus on. And out of all my skincare products, I don't have any eye creams. I'm gonna talk about what I do in my other videos. But anyway, so I've been looking for one and they're so expensive. Some of the eye creams that I actually want to buy are out of stock in all of the stores that I checked out. So that's why it's so hard for me to look for the eye cream that I want. And when I saw this one, most of the reviews there were very good. So I really wanted to try it out. And I think it's like a roller type of tube. So you just roll it under, or you can just pat it so that it won't parang stress out the skin on your eye, under your eye. So this was only for 150, and it says it expires 2020, so that's good. The last thing that I got isn't anymore from Genie, but this is from Stylist, and it's their coconut hair mask. I also read a lot of great reviews about this, so I wanted to get something for my hair because my hair is really dry and it's so thick. So when it's dry, it gets it goes like that, and I don't like how it looks. I really want to make my hair soft. I want to start taking care of it. So it's around 299. People say this smells really good, and if you wash it very well, it doesn't leave a very oily residue, so that's good. And this really makes your hair soft and moisturized. So I really wanted to try this out. So that's that. Okay. Now we're gonna start with the Skin Genie Lip and Cheek Stain Alive review. So this is how the box looks like. It's very cute and simple, and I like it. And then under you'll see the shades. So there's Heart, Creamy Peach, and Red Christmas. And then at the back it will say when they will expire. So they put some marks on the years and the months. This is how it looks like. So there. I like the packaging of this. It's really simple, and you can see the color, the shade of the one that you got from just looking at the bottle, because before it covers it with the white paper, if you know how the old one looks like. Let's just start. So I'm gonna get Creamy Peach. I'm gonna try to swatch it on my lips and see how it looks like. Okay, now I put the camera closer to my face so you can see better. Ooh. It smells so good. It smells like candy. It's cold when you apply it. It tastes very sweet. I mean, I'm not tasting it on purpose, but it just goes to my mouth. This is what Creamy Peach looks like. It's very lightweight. I don't feel anything on my lips. Plus, since after applying it, it dried up, right? So let's see how it does, if it's transfer proof. It is. There's nothing on my arm. So this is how it looks like, and I like it. I wanted to get something orangey or like peachy, so I got this. And then I don't know which kind of red would look good, but I really wanted something red. So I got two, Heart and Christmas Red. Christmas Red is from the old collection, and Heart is actually a new shade that they just released. So the next thing I'm gonna try out is Heart, and I think it's like a red tone. Oh, they really smell so good. Like, they smell so sweet. It reminds me of a candy. Oh no. You have to be careful when applying this because it goes to your teeth, so it stains your teeth if you put too much. This one is like more on the pinkish side, not really that red. So it's like a pink tone, and I don't like this much because it's pink. I don't really like wearing pink lipstick. This is what it looks like. There's an aftertaste after, but I know you're not supposed to taste it. That's why, maybe. But you end up tasting it because the product just goes to your teeth. It just goes in when you apply it because it's so liquidy, so it just slides down and then you end up tasting it. The last thing I'm going to be trying out is this Christmas Red. I think it's a darker shade because the bottle is way darker than the other two. Let's try this out. Christmas Red. This one's it's more on the red tone, and I like this one better. I think I'd wear this one more than the Heart. It's nice because it really gives color to your lips, and it's like you're not wearing anything. So it looks natural, and it doesn't feel like anything. Okay, so that's it for my unboxing and review on the Skin Genie lip tint. Overall, I actually like the lip tints. I chose this one because it's only 80 pesos and there were also good reviews on it. And now that I've tried it, it's actually like pretty good. It's so affordable, less than 100 pesos. And they have a lot of shades. So the Heart is more of a pink tone. That's one of their new shades. And then if you really want red, I think you should try out Christmas Red. But the Creamy Peach, it's also really nice. And this one is a peach tone, so I really like this one. They're very lightweight and they're moisturizing. Like, it's really not drying at all. And so far, so good. Skin Genie, this one is a great product. And it's so affordable. This is the first time I ordered in BeautyMNL. So if it's your first time to buy there, you'll have like free shipping. The delivery was really quick, so that's good. I like that service. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!